What is going on, guys? I did a review on this Bonney RF22 Refrigeration Ratchet, and I thought it would be cool to get a force measurement so we could calculate the back drag. This ratchet has a unique feature where the Pawl spring is held in place by this screw, and right now it's set to minimum tension. So let's get a measurement. Supporting at 5 inches, pulling at 4 1/4. We got a weight of 121 grams. Zero that. And we're going to start actuating with this low tension on the spring. So I'd say we're getting like high 50s. We'll call it 57. Yeah. So now let's go ahead and increase the spring tension here by 1 turn. Okay, that's 1 full turn in. Let's see what we get. We're just going to go ahead and re-zero this. Okay, and let's go ahead and try it in this higher spring tension setting. So it looks like it's getting like 90. Yeah. $88. Let's call it 88. Okay. So we'll calculate the back drag for the screw in the minimum tension setting and then 1 turn in, and we'll compare them and see what we get. Thanks for checking it out, you guys.